Hi, this is Joe Bill. I'm here to talk to you today about how two features in Microsoft Excel, namely pivot tables and conditional formatting, can be used to provide you with the information you need to respond crisply and timely to these requests when they come in. Using a dashboard that takes into account the particulars of your guidelines, you can identify very quickly whether your reporting person remains in their initial grace period and what their compliance threshold is and what the reference value of their current holdings is. Based on that, you ought to be able to respond immediately with information about whether or not he or she is in a position to sell stock. If so, if he or she is in a position to sell stock, they will need some additional information. And by making a copy of your ledger tab and spending 5 to 10 minutes distilling it down, you can provide your reporting person with this level of detail that will give them what they need, what he or she needs, to consult tax advisors, financial planners, and stockbrokers regarding which stock is to be sold, and based on that, how much stock can be sold while remaining in compliance. Beyond fielding these calls, the data in your ledger should also be used to populate the ownership by management portion of your proxy workbook, the current holdings portion of your D&O questionnaires, and the current transactions portion of your D&O questionnaires. In addition to that, this workbook will ultimately become the final check of the Form 4s themselves before they are filed. By inputting the new totals from the new Form 4s here, pre-populating the new transactions into your ledger here, updating your pivot tables, and consulting your dashboard, you'll see quickly, using conditional formatting, that something doesn't match. Upon investigation, you'll determine whether the Form 4 itself needs to be revised or whether a keystroke error needs to be fixed in this workbook. You'll make the necessary changes. You'll update your hyperlinks. You will file your Forms 4. You'll save your workbook, and you'll rest assured that the next time one of these calls comes in, you have the information you need at your fingertips to respond promptly and crisply. I hope this has been helpful. This has been a Process Improvement Minute. Thank you.